I just wanted to let you know I went to this building here, marked U.S. Government. This is the building as I saw it. And I was stationed right here on the public easement when I had interactions with the officers. I went to citymapsoffortwayne.org, and this is the property line for the government building and the fire station. The line in the middle of the road is the center line of the road. And the pink lines on either side are the public easements. Just wanted to get that out there and show where the public easements were, and that I was on this corner right here when I had interaction with the officers.
So there's some recording on here.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to ask.
Yeah, that's it. It's tagged as a government building.
Okay.
If you look on Google Maps, so you know we the people have a right to see how our money is being spent. If it's not a government building, then maybe you guys should update your thing.
Just because?
Because I want to see how tax dollars are being spent on a government building.
Okay. Okay. Well, do you want my information or anything, or?
Nope, I don't need it. Not unless you want to get it. You're being live streamed to the internet right now.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
What's going on?
Nothing's going on.
Hey, you have a camera.
Exactly.
What are you
Yes.
doing?
Taking pictures
Of?
and video. You're being live streamed to the internet. Who am I speaking with?
That's not important. I'm
Okay,
trying to figure out
thank
what's
you.
going on.
Then you're not important. If we can't have a cordial conversation, and at least by first exchanging either titles or names, then please go about your business. I'm standing on public property. Please leave me alone.
You're on.
No, I'm on public property. I'm within the easement of the road, 33 feet from center line. I already checked the Indiana GIS survey. You don't own the property I'm standing on.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Citizen, independent journalist.
Okay. I'm asking because they're calling concern that
They can call all they want.
videotaping.
Well, why don't they call the police? He's right over there. There's a fire station. That's a government building. This is a government building. Correct?
No, that's a private company.
But it said it's tagged as a government building. Look on Google. It's a government building.
I promise you, that is a private
It says
company.
it's a government building. So if they're upstairs and they're cleaning out and they're paying staff, then I have the right to come out here and film. I have the right to turn the camera, which it is facing this way, and film this place right here from a public easement. You have no right to tell me not to from a public space. You can't come out here on a city street and tell another man what to do, right? Correct, sir?
Looked like
I'm-
you were on our property to me.
No, I'm standing on the public easement.
Okay.
This body cam's been running the whole time.
Okay.
I'm just saying a body cam's been running. I've been live streaming the entire time.
Okay.
So, I mean, if there's anything else I can help you with,
We're just concerned at what you're doing. That's all.
taking pictures.
Here, the auditor demonstrates something many public employees forget: the legal boundary between public and private property. Under Indiana Code, Section 8-20-1-15, the public right-of-way includes not only the roadway itself, but also the shoulder, sidewalk, and easement area, typically extending 20 to 40 feet from the center line of the road. That means if a citizen stands within that range, they are on public property, protected by law. By researching the GIS survey before recording, this auditor did exactly what responsible citizen journalists should do: document the legal space they occupy. Knowing where you stand literally is the first step in defending your constitutional rights.
Okay.
That's what you take my picture for?
I'm not taking your picture directly until just now,
What are you taking it for?
because I have a constitutional right.
For what?
Are you going to come over here angry, or are you actually going to come
I'm
over
asking
here?
a question.
Well, you're coming over here very angry. Your body language says
I
you're
don't care
angry.
about my body language.
Okay. Oh, then we're done talking. Call the police.
Well, good. Police are on the way.
I hope so.
Good.
You'll be educated. Would you like to come back over here when they get here? Yes.
Why are you taking pictures of the building?
I've explained it a whole bunch of times. He didn't explain it to you?
No, this is very confidential, and there's people that come in here that don't want people to know that they're here, and you are
Okay.
not allowed to be doing this shit, not here.
Yeah, I am. Because if you look on Google Map, can you do me a favor? Can you look on Google Map?
No, why are you here?
Can you look on Google Map?
No, I want you
Okay,
to tell me why
then
you take a picture.
then I'm not going to answer any more of your questions. If we
Then
can't
you
be
need to
cordial,
leave, because this is
you
very
cannot
confidential.
tell me to leave public property.
Okay,
I'm on
then what is
public
your-
property.
okay, help me understand what's your purpose for taking pictures in here.
Go to Google Map.
Why don't you explain it to me?
Go to Google Map. Look at the building. It says governmental building.
Okay.
I have a right, a First Amendment right, as the
I
press,
don't
to
care
come
about
out
your
here and.
amendment right. I want to know what your
Okay.
purpose is for taking pictures.
Are you going to listen or are you going to keep interrupting? Is this how you are at home?
Fuck yeah, it is.
Okay,
This
then-
is
then-
confidential as
then-
hell. You are not to be taking pictures of
I
us over
have
here.
I have nothing to do with the confidentiality of that building.
If you're taking pictures of people walking in here, yes,
I can take pictures of anything I want from public space. You cannot trespass my eyes.
And you cannot trespass on confidentiality of people that don't want
That's
everybody knowing that
their
they're coming in.
information
I
is.
don't want my picture on your camera.
So what? You came out to me.
You are-
You're standing on a
But you
public
know what, though?
roadway.
You're taking pictures of me walking in here. And I don't want
You
taking my
are.
picture.
I don't care what you want. You're on public
You know,
property
I'm
right
gonna
now.
laugh my ass off when you get arrested for it.
Go ahead.
This statement captures the essence of First Amendment auditing, and it's backed by solid case law. In Glick versus Cuniff, 655 F.3d 78, Alfar, First Circuit. 2011, the court ruled, the filming of government officials engaged in their duties in a public place fits comfortably within the principles of the First Amendment. Additionally, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, DHS memo, 2010 clearly states, members of the public and media do not need a permit to photograph or film the exterior of federal facilities from public spaces. In other words, unless someone trespasses or obstructs official duties, there is no lawful basis to demand that they stop filming. The auditor here is not provoking, he's exercising a protected right. A camera in public isn't a weapon, it's a tool of accountability.
Get your ass whooped.
Go
I
ahead.
can't stand people like you.
Well, I'm not just doing this just because, but I'm doing it to uphold the constitutional rights that we all have.
Oh, what purpose though? I want to know.
Okay.
Your
Do
purpose.
you exercise? Do you exercise? No. Do you exercise? That's what I'm answering. Do you exercise? Absolutely not, because
No,
you
why
came
not?
out to me.
But you're
You
taking
came out to
my
me.
fucking picture, and I don't
You
want my
came out.
picture on the damn
I'm
camera.
not taking
What if I take
pictures
your
of you.
camera and bust the fuck out of it right now? Because I don't want
Because
my picture on
I
it.
will.
My-
You.
Beat his ass. No.
If you're gonna come over here and do it, if you're gonna come over here and do it, you're gonna go to juvie.
I'm gonna shoot your ass.
You're already being live streamed. Now that's a death threat. Thank goodness you're here. I'm getting death threats from these guys over here. Actually, this kid over here said he was going to shoot me. This little kid over here, you can talk to the security guard, the white one. He'll tell you.
What are you doing now?
Taking pictures. That guard right there, he can tell you that there was a kid that was making death threats saying he was going to shoot me.
Well, my question is, why are you?
Because that's a government building. I'm taking pictures. Yeah. I have a constitutional First Amendment right to take pictures. What's your name, sir? What's your badge number or PE number? Badge or PE number? 34253.5. It says I don't have to, unless you suspect me of a crime or an ordinance violation. I'm not hollering at anybody. I've been live streaming the entire time. Right.
This is the emotional and legal peak of the video. While the citizen stands within the law, others respond with threats and illegal act under Indiana Code, Section 3545-2-1, which defines intimidation as threatening another person with bodily harm or death. The phrase, "their fears don't trump my rights," perfectly summarizes the core principle of the First Amendment. The Constitution doesn't exist to protect people's comfort. It exists to protect their freedom. As the Smith versus City of Cumming, 212, F.3d1332, 11th Easter, 2000 ruling stated, the First Amendment protects the right to gather information about what public officials do on public property, and specifically, a right to record matters of public interest. The auditor did not trespass, interfere, or threaten anyone. He simply stood his ground, peacefully asserting that fear and feelings can never override constitutional law. In doing so, He didn't just protect his rights, he stood for everyone's.
Ask this guy.
So the reaction-
Did I not get a death threat from the kid saying he was going to shoot me?
He didn't say he was.
Yeah, he said he was going to shoot me. He was going to call somebody. He said he was going to shoot me. Not only that, but he said he was going to beat my ass. Correct? I do have it on live
He
stream.
didn't say he would beat your ass.
Right. So now I'm being you know,
They came out and
threats
want
of
him
violence.
gone.
They want him off his property.
Yes,
I'm not on any. I'm on a public easement. 33 feet from center line, sir. 33. Look, they're right there. They're right there. Right there. There's the water. I'm within the public easement. I'm within the public easement, sir.
You can't be out causing a scene.
Their fears don't trump my rights. Their fears don't trump my rights, sir.
But, I mean, what's the purpose?
Because it's tagged as a government building. Not only that, but there's a fire station right here.
And?
It doesn't matter. I'm on public property.
Abby.
Hi there. You want him off your property?
I'm on the public easement. Look it up. Check GIS survey before you make any other thing.
Every vehicle that goes by, everybody that walks in and out of that building.
I don't think so.
As far as I know, everyone that's here.
Let me see some ID. Let me see your ID. Do you have an ID?
Am I being detained?
You have an ID, please?
Am I being detained?
Let's not start this.
No.
First of all, you're
A public easement. Check it out. I checked the GIS survey before I came out here. Their fears don't trust. They're the ones who came out here. I didn't say anything to anybody.
Okay.
This man down here is the first one who came up to talk to me.
I understand that.
I was very cordial. Alex over here came up to talk to me.
Okay.
He was very cordial.
Okay.
But other than that, I haven't done anything wrong. I mean, do you agree with that?
I'm not going.
Is this a supervisor?
I'm not going to.
Is this a supervisor? I do.
Hey, John, how you doing today?
Good. How you doing?
All right, sir. Just out here filming again?
Yo, you bet.
I hear you. I hear you. Are you on, where you been standing, bud?
You can see the tracks right here.
Okay.
Public easement. I haven't went on anybody's property, and I'm walking the public easement since there's no sidewalk.
Yep.
I already checked the GIS survey before I came out here, sir.
What you usually do? Report.
I always do.
What you can do is file a protective order, and then he will be not allowed to be within so many feet.
Okay.
So that's why I suggest.
But first I have to do something wrong. I didn't do anything
not
wrong.
Really.
Being very disturbing to our clients, yelling at them.
You can bring this video to court.
Yeah.
What they're claiming.
Yeah. Making them feel very uncomfortable and they're trying to get help.
Their feelings don't trump my rights. I have a right to be here.
That will trump your right.
But I didn't do anything.
That will trump your right.
Nope. I didn't do anything. He won't.
You can cause scenes. You can.
I didn't cause a scene. I'm standing here. I'm standing here.
This can be pulled over. Anything to anybody is causing a scene.
They came up and talked to me. I didn't say anything to anyone. No, it's not. Now you're making stuff up. But I have a constitutional right to stand here. You're being live streamed. Live streamed to the internet, not using the camera. K09305. This is the one who said he was going to shoot me.
Yeah, this man settled.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Yeah, because I know that there's nothing that you could do. The police already said that you were alright, so I just have to
All right.
actually.
Okay. K09059. That is the paper tag. Mazda 626. She didn't like to know that she was being live streamed. Did you hear that? The gentleman asked me to come across the street. Your security officer. Taking pictures? Because I have a constitutional right to take pictures of a government facility.
We're in news media or something?
Yes, independent media. Yeah. You are very adult. I appreciate your time. Are you saying that I'm number one? Are you saying I'm number one?
Yes.
All right. Well, I'm glad to be number one. You're being live streamed already. Oh well. You know. Appreciate it.
I feel like he might have to actually stay near us.
I still have that camera. I hope you fucking like it. That's why I don't know.
Have a good day. God bless you. I'll pray for you.
This is getting bad already.
Yeah, I'm gonna push on down the road anyways. But I do appreciate it because I
Yeah,
cause,
definitely
yeah.
be safe because I'm not making any promises on any of them. Might
Yeah.
loop back or anything.
Oh yeah, they're coming back. I already know that.
If you can just kind of stay like closer to the fire department, so that way if they do try to do anything, there is I think a police officer or a couple inside the fire department, so they should be able to handle stuff.
All right, I appreciate it.
And if it's anywhere closer over here,
Okay, all right, I appreciate it. Thank you again.
no problem.
Thanks. I'm gonna go down the road, leave you guys alone, let you guys go inside.
All right.
You guys don't have to stand outside all day, do you? I mean, or is it because of me you're outside?
A little bit. Yeah,
Okay.
A little bit of that.
Well, I'm gonna go so you guys can go inside. All right.
man.
Thanks. Thanks.
All right, stay safe.
Yep.
What you just saw wasn't confrontation, it was education. A citizen stood his ground, not with anger, but with knowledge. He didn't need to raise his voice, because the law already spoke for him. Every time someone picks up a camera in public, they remind the system. Transparency isn't a threat, it's a duty. The Constitution doesn't bend to fear or feelings. It protects the right of every American to observe, record, and hold power accountable. So, the next time someone tells you to stop filming, remember, you have the right to record. You have the right to be free. If you believe in transparency, freedom, and the power of the First Amendment, subscribe, like this video, and share it to help educate others about their rights. Because when citizens know the law, liberty stands stronger,